Hey everyone, welcome back to English Trend. Today, we're diving into something that confuses a lot of learners, the subjunctive mood. So, let's get started. First, what exactly is the subjunctive mood? Unlike the indicative mood, which states facts, or the imperative mood, which gives commands, the subjunctive is used for hypothetical situations, wishes, demands, suggestions, and things that are contrary to reality. Examples: indicative, she is happy. Fact, imperative, be happy. Command. Subjunctive, I wish she were happy. Hypothetical. See the difference? Now let's break it down further. When do we use the subjunctive? 1. Wishes and hypothetical situations. We use the subjunctive when talking about things that are not real or unlikely to happen. Examples: I wish I were taller. Not was. If I were you, I'd take the job. Notice how we use were instead of was. That's because we're talking about something imaginary. 2. Suggestions, demands, and necessity. The subjunctive is also used after verbs like suggest, demand, insist, recommend, and require. Examples: I suggest that he study harder. Not studies. The teacher insists that she be on time. Notice that in these cases, we don't add an S to the verb. Now let's go over some common mistakes learners make with the subjunctive mood. If I was rich, I would travel the world. Incorrect. If I were rich, I would travel the world. Correct. She suggested that he studies more. Incorrect. She suggested that he study more. Correct. Always remember the subjunctive is often invisible, meaning the verb stays in its base form. Quick quiz. Let's test your understanding. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verb. 1. If I be you, I wouldn't do that. 2. She insisted that he leave immediately. 3. I wish it not rain today. Correct forms: were, leave, didn't rain. How did you do? Let me know in the comments. That's all for today's lesson. The subjunctive mood might seem tricky, but with practice, it gets easier. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.